Ollie! Where's Oliver? Lily. I'm serious, I don't know where he is.
Oliver, get over here. Come on.
Lily. This is the super collider Jason made. It's like a maze. 4 feet of snow. Ollie, come here. Let's see in the super collider. Come on. Come here. Uh-oh. Oh no, here it goes. I can't, there's so much snow I can't even see over there. Oh no, here they come. Oh. Oh. This is the beautiful maze Jason made. With our new snow blower. What are you doing, Ollie? You can do it. Come on, Ollie. Whoa! Really?
Jumping. No wonder Sissy gets mad at you. You jumped on her.
Look at how the ladder is buried in this.
Alright, it's freezing. I can't believe it's freezing right
I know.
Here.
The hot tub needs to get.
I know. Can't believe
Alright.
Lily's not running. She's just eating snow.
What's on your face, Lils? You look like you stuck your face in a pile of snow.
You can leave this gate open and they won't get it.
No. Oh, Ollie, what are you doing? Look at how deep that snow is. You'll get buried in there, Ollie. That's like 4 feet of snow.
Yeah, 3.
What are you going to do now, Ollie?